Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12. Midday, right now we're tracking a couple different areas of moisture. Here's area number 1 in the Mount Shasta City region. Some of this is actually quite heavy, at least moderate to heavy. And then we're tracking some lighter stuff in the Great and Harney basins this midday. So let's show you what happens to all this a little bit later today, becoming much more widespread into this afternoon and evening. And we'll start to see a lot more lightning on the map. Could get a bit of a lull this evening, but then as we head into Saturday morning, and by the way, that would be for late this evening, like pretty close to midnight. But then into Saturday morning, we'll get more showers and thunderstorms becoming more widespread into the afternoon and evening, although definitely less widespread compared to today. And then coverage is looking even less widespread for Sunday. So here are some of these rainfall projections we're expecting through Saturday night, and keep in mind that we are expecting some rain to fall for Sunday as well. So this is not going to be a complete picture, but it's a pretty good idea. And it's the Mount Shasta City area where we're concerned, not really concerned, but we think we're going to get the most rainfall over this next 48 hours. And that is already starting to verify. Pretty uniform distribution of rainfall, though, for the Rogue and Shasta valleys, for the coast, and for the mountains. And the east side is trending a little bit drier with the latest model runs, but we do have some rain there right now, so we'll see what ends up happening to those numbers. Now I can bring back the concerned word, because we are a little bit concerned about some of the rain that could fall in other portions of Siskiyou County, in particular for central and western Siskiyou County, really in particular around the head and McKinney burn scars. So those fresh burn scars, they have kind of this waxy material that's on the soil. The burning leaves that behind, so that just means that the soil and the surface is very water repellent. So if we get a lot of rain falling on top of these areas, that means that we could see some localized flash flooding and some excess runoff and some debris flows, especially around California 96. So we'll be keeping a very close eye on that as well. So for today, feeling pretty fall-like. We'll be about 15 degrees below average for this time of the year. So that'll be the nice aspect to the forecast. But I guess the annoying aspect, if you wanted to do something outdoors today, especially during the afternoon and evening, is that, well, showers and thunderstorms, they're going to end up being pretty widespread. And then we should maybe get that little lull closer to midnight, but closer to 7 p.m., which is when a lot of the football games kick off around the region. Well, that's when we're still expecting some pretty widespread showers and thunderstorms. So if you're going to be heading out to one of those games, just bring the poncho, the parka, the towel. I think maybe the umbrella would be a little too distracting, but things of that nature, you'd want to bring them out to the ballpark tonight or to the football stadium. Okay, so the big takeaway is that the most active days of this unsettled stretch of weather will be for Friday and Saturday, much drier for Sunday and Monday, then very dry next week. So the theme all this week is that we are getting cooler, we are getting wetter, but next week we're going to get warmer and we're going to get drier. But in the meantime, the wetter and cooler weather definitely helping us out, as we'll have just limited fire weather impacts from Saturday through Wednesday. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. Showers and thunderstorms looking likely for both today and tomorrow, even though it's pretty sunny right now along the coast. And then for Siskiyou County, rain and thunderstorms looking likely for today, and then just a chance for showers and thunderstorms for Saturday and Sunday. Again, we'll be watching for the amount of rainfall around those burn scars very, very closely. Then for the Klamath Basin, rain and thunderstorms looking likely for today, just a chance for showers and storms for Saturday and Sunday, but showers and storms looking likely for the mountains for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then for the Rogue Valley, definitely more coverage of rain and thunderstorms today as opposed to Saturday, even less for Sunday and Monday, then drying out by Tuesday.
All right, thank you, Josh. I feel like the weather's kind of teasing us. We get a little hint of fall, and then it kind of goes right back up to summer weather. And then I'm sure once we get more deeper into it.
Yeah, but I'd say mid-80s isn't necessarily summer-like. I'd say it's early fall-like, okay. Very early fall-like. And if the visibility and the air quality are good, if all this rain helps out with some of the smoke, then we'll have crisp air. It won't be oppressively hot. I'd say, what more can you ask for?
I agree.
Glass half full.
Glass half full.
Yes.
Love it. All right. Thank you, Josh.
Of course.